What is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Pictory. It's free trial for beginners. Are you looking for a guide on how to use Pictory? Well, this guide's for you, so stay tuned. All right, so go to Google, any of your browser. You should do this using your desktop, your computer, or your Mac, and excuse me. Just search for Pictory, and it's the first they're the same thing. The first and the second are the same thing. The first is just a sponsored like result. Click on it and you're gonna be on this homepage, pictory.ai. It says here Pictory is video creation made easy. Automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content. It says quick, easy, and cost effective. No technical skills or software download required. And the good thing about this is you can get a free trial and you don't need a credit card, unlike other services or other shady services that require you to sign up with your credit card information. Here, you don't need that. So let's see here. It says here, your complete video marketing toolkit, create short branded video snippets from long form videos. So a lot of people now create long form videos for YouTube, and then they cut them up and get the good bits and turn them into either Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, right? So with Pictory, you have an advanced AI software that gets your content working for you by automatically extracting golden nuggets, quote unquote, hidden deep within your Zoom, team, and webinar recordings, or hey, your YouTube videos that you've made. And it's perfect, like what I said earlier, it's perfect across your social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. And also, you can turn scripts into jaw-dropping sales videos. Pictory uses AI to automatically create high-conversion video sales letters, complete with stock footage, music, and voiceovers in just minutes. I mean, AI has been, gaining traction over the past year or so, and even that technology is getting better and better and better. Right, so also says here that transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. So breathe new life into your blog by adding video, boost search engine rankings. So it's pretty much like an SEO tool, video editor, social media, AI, all in one. And there's a lot of people saying good stuff about this. So it says here in partnership with Storyblocks, Hootsuite, Google, Amazon, Pexels, Melody. So really good websites, really good services and whatnot. And you can see them on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So if you click on Get Started for free, clicking on that will open a new tab, right? And here you're going to have to sign up pretty much the same with most websites. Easiest and fastest way is going to be with Google, signing in with that. You click continue. It's very straightforward. And I think it's going to be a month-long service. I think. Haven't done it, but yeah. So and if you see on their menu on the top, you can see who uses Pictory features, academy, pricing, and login. So let's go to pricing first. So pricing, you can either do annual or monthly. So standard, best for creators starting out with video, $19 per month, one user, 30 videos per month, text to video projects of up to 10 minutes in length, 10 hours of video transcription per month, which is more than enough. Like if you're, because this is pretty much for short form. So like 10 hours is pretty long. Edit existing video recordings up to 1 hour long. Free branded templates you can customize and save. 5,000 music tracks, 34 text-to-speech AI voices. So that's pretty cool. And this is the free one, right? Premium is $39 per month. 60 videos per month included. Text-to-video of up to 20 minutes long. Before, like, the standard is up to 10 minutes long, so that's double. 20 hours of video transcription instead of 10. edit existing video up to 3 hours instead of up to 1 hour. So that's triple. 10 branded templates instead of three. 10,000 music tracks, 60 text to speech AI voices, so almost double. Automatic voiceover synchronization, automatic video highlights, Hootsuite integration, bulk download of videos to CSV. And for Teams, uh, 3 users per account. So I think it's pretty much the same. So yeah, those are yeah. And if you go monthly, right? If you go monthly, it's gonna be more expensive, right? So if you go annually, you save 50% off. And you have facts here you can ask, branding, editing, yeah. So who uses Pictory says here: YouTube video creators, marketers, social media managers, agencies, bloggers, course creators, coaches, Vidnami users. So again, it's usually for online business or online marketing, online everything. So yeah. And then if you go to features, let's go to features. It says here, edit video using text. So as you can see here, you can edit videos text quickly and easily, perfect for editing webinars, podcasts, and Zoom recordings. Simple to use, fast, pro results, grow your audience, uh, build your brand. Yeah. So and the examples are here. As you can see here, upload a video to edit and summarize, customize your brand settings, and that's it. It's that easy. Same goes for other features like create video highlights. I think these are for the shorts one. Share highlights, boost engagement, short clips engage. Yeah, like what I said, this is for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks, uh, Facebook Reels as well. And it's the same thing. Upload and transcribe. Pictory scans for significance. So they have an AI. I don't know how advanced or how accurate or consistent their AI for scanning the significance of your transcript for the sound bites, but hey, who knows, right? You fine tune things. So yeah, I guess this is a good step by step. They don't omit that you need to go over what the AI picks, right? Customize brand settings, save and share. It's pretty straightforward. A lot of them are script to video. This is what a lot of people want to use nowadays because for YouTubers, marketers, like script to video is pretty much select input source, view and edit summary, view and edit video storyboard, add music and voiceover. So like with Pictory, I think you can do voice, like it's all in one. You could edit the text. You could edit the storyboard, add music and voiceover. They have music, they have voiceover, and like you don't need other software to use it. So as you can see, yeah, that's pretty much Pictory. And if you want to explore more, you could go to the website pictory.ai. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.